Hi everyone, and welcome to Crafty Decoria. Today I will be working on a project that I've been wanting to do for a while. I am standing currently in my hallway, which has my stairway that goes up to my second level. Now this area we have been wanting to remodel it, but we just haven't gotten to that point yet. So in the meantime, I have 4 picture frames that I brought from our previous house, and these used to be in my bedroom, and I hung them here going up the stairway. But I am tired of how they look. They used to have a gold frame around them, and then I just painted them black because I thought it looked better. And now I want to redo these again. But this time I'm going to be using items from the Dollar Tree to repurpose these into a farmhouse look and something that I will really enjoy every time I go up the stairway here. So if you care to see how I repurpose these frames and make some new decor in this area, then please keep on watching. Okay, so here in front of me, I have all the items that I'm going to be using to add to my picture frame here. I have the Dollar Tree decor, farmhouse decor piece. This specific one was the whitewash faux wood with the word blessed, as you can see. I have some gigantic craft sticks that I'll be using. I have this floating shelf, of course, from Dollar Tree. Everything is from Dollar Tree except for the E6000 glue. I have some Chalk It Up chalk paint, some acrylic black paint, and again, my E6000 glue, which I'll simply be using to glue the floating shelf to the glass, only because it is glass. And unless I'm using a Gorilla Glue glue stick, then I find that the regular glue sticks that I have on hand don't usually hold the shelf well enough, and that's why I'm using the E6000 glue. But again, I'll be using my regular glue to attach the decor piece to the back of the picture frame. And the only other thing that I was thinking about doing was getting the jock clips from Dollar Tree and adding a clip to the glass as well. But I haven't gotten those yet, so in the time that I'm doing this video, if I end up getting them, then I will attach them as well. And that will also be included in this makeover for my picture frame. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my Chalk It Up chalk paint and I'm going to cover the glass completely. Now I'll of course be doing 4 of these because I have 4 hanging up my stairwell, but I'll only be showing the one and then showing you the final reveal at the end with all 4 pieces made over. Okay, so now that I've painted my glass, I'm moving on to the farmhouse cathedral decor piece. Now with this, I'm going to end up painting it black, and I'll be using the Dollar Tree black acrylic paint. And I have to take out these wooden, or this wooden word that says blessed. Now I didn't take my time with my heat gun to see if maybe I could soften this up to save the word. So if any of you have used these pieces and have successfully removed the wooden word, then please share it in the comment section below. But I'm just going to tear it apart and then turn it over to the other side and then paint the back. And here you can see I've already done that. So I still have remaining pieces of the wooden word, but you can't see it from the other side. So I'm going to go ahead with my 4 pieces, remove the words, and then paint the back of the sign in the black. So I gave the glass on the frame art 2 coats of the Chalk It Up chalk paint, and I painted all of the decor pieces in the black, and I love how they look. So now I want to attach the decor piece to the framed art. So I'm going to take my gigantic craft stick and I'm going to add some glue to the one side here, and then I will glue it to the frame, leaving the other half exposed so that when I flip the whole thing over, I can just add some glue to the rest of the craft stick and then glue the decor piece in place. Okay, so my framed art is painted with the Chalk It Up chalk paint, and the decor pieces have the acrylic black paint. So now I'm ready to glue on my floating shelf, and what I'll be using to glue on the back of the shelf to the framed art is the E6000 glue. So I went ahead and centered my shelf at the bottom of the framed art here, so just up against the bottom of the outer frame, and I went ahead and pretty much eyeballed it to where the center, or where I thought it was centered, and then I took my pencil and I just traced around the shelf so that once I add my glue to the back, I know exactly where I want to place it. Everyone, so here I went ahead and added some chalk to my decor pieces, and I used my stencil that I purchased at Michael's, but you can definitely freehand this or just print something off the computer, cut it out, and then stencil your own word. But I, as you can see, stenciled the word home, and this was actually something that I wanted to do for quite some time. I had seen a lot of inspiration pictures on Pinterest where they had the word home either at the top or bottom of the stairs, going up and down. But I really loved when I saw the pictures of the word home going up or down the stairs. So I really wanted to accomplish that look using these items, and I'm so pleased with how they turned out. Now I am going to go a step further, and I'm going to add those jock clips to each of the decor pieces, and I plan to glue them right there, and this way I can leave the chalkboard if I want just plain, and then hang some pictures, I think that would be really pretty. Or if I wanted to use that jock clip to place a greenery wreath with some lights, that would be really nice as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and add those jock clips and then add a little bit more decor to show you how I will be displaying this or these decor pieces in this area for the spring and summer season. Here I have my decor pieces decorated with Dollar Tree items. So here, if I go a little closer, you can see that I added the wooden wreath that Dollar Tree is selling. Around that, I roped the LED light strand that has the greenery on it. And then on the shelf, I simply placed the Dollar Tree greenery picks that I just found, and I love it. Okay, so I came up on the stairs just to show you closer. I turned the LED lights on, and I love how at nighttime I can turn the light strands on each piece and it lights up the stairway, which I absolutely love. Now remember, I used a frame that I already had, but you can definitely purchase a frame this size at Dollar Tree. It would be their largest size. I believe it's 11 by 14. And you can make this exact same piece using all Dollar Tree items and even decorating it the same. But the great thing about this piece is, as I said, I can change it up and just keep the chalkboard clean, add a picture to this, add any picture to it, and change it up that way. I can also use the shelf to display seasonal items, so I can have a lot of fun with that. But for now, I definitely am going to keep it with the HOME going up the stairs to spell home, and keep it decorated with these Dollar Tree items. I can't tell you enough how much I love how this has turned out. And I also love the fact that I was able to repurpose these frames and turn them into something completely new. Well guys, that will do it for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please give the video a thumbs up. Share the video if you can. It will greatly help my channel. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd absolutely love and appreciate it if you did. As always, you guys take care of yourselves, and I hope to catch you in the next video. Bye for now. Front.